Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into this head-to-head comparison review between these two AI productivity tools, which is ClickUp and Anytype. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about ClickUp. ClickUp is the best pick if you want an all-in-one workspace that blends tasks, document, whiteboard, and automation, which make it easy to brainstorm and immediately turn ideas into action. It's very fast, flexible, and team-friendly, and it also integrates with tons of tools, but the interface can feel overwhelming at first, and larger projects may slow things down a bit if you are not organized. Then talking about Anytype, on the other hand, is the smartest choice if you want or if you care more about deep thinking and data ownership, thanks to its offline first structured and privacy focused design and a powerful graph view for connecting ideas. Almost forgot. It's great for personal knowledge base and long-term planning, though the learning curve is steeper and collaboration features still feel limited compared to ClickUp. So in my opinion, if you want execution and teamwork, go with ClickUp, or if you want privacy, or you prefer private and structured brainstorming, go with Anytype. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.